We had a pretty significant wind event on September 22nd, and it just happened to be that I was at the shore at Young State Park taking video. As we see the map here, we're starting to see evidence of the wind coming through with the gust of 45 up at Harbor Springs, 34 at the buoy near Petoskey, and 33 miles per hour in Charlevoix. The gust front kicked off as a complex of thunderstorms in the Wisconsin and Upper Peninsula. It went across northern Lake Michigan, and that fine line that you see on the radar is the gust front as it passed through the Boyne City, Boyne Falls area in western Charlevoix County. As it continues to move here, then the front continued to lead the line of thunderstorms. As it was developing all these thunderstorms as it continued through the rest of northern Michigan. As you see the clouds that are coming through here, it looks like a shelf cloud, but they're not attached to any thunderstorms. A lot of people were asking if there was going to be any thunder or lightning with this, and I said no, it looks just like a line of clouds, and that's what we're seeing as it continues to get closer. Then as the clouds are almost over top of us, then the wind starts to pick up, eventually gusting to about 35 to 40 miles an hour as we continued on in the area. We had a few things that started to blow away. We gathered those up pretty quickly, but the big thing was our chairs it wasn't super strong, and plus our chairs were kind of buried into the sand. One of the things I wanted to point out was that the waves had built up to 2 to 3 feet in relatively 15 to 20 minutes. And the big thing also was that the water was being pushed down and then up the beach farther and farther, not just from the big wave action, but because it was actually pushing the water. If you take a look at some of these side-to-side videos like here and compare it to the earlier video of what the beach looked like beforehand, the water is actually coming up much further onto the beach. However, the wind finally did subside, and we ended up with a pretty decent sunset. See some of those waves in the clouds, and I think those were also part of that thunderstorm complex. Thanks for watching.